In this video, I want to showcase 3 constructions, and we shall start by constructing a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line. So this is the line YZ, and the point outside the line is X. So how do I draw a perpendicular to the line YZ from the point outside the line, which is X? So with X as my center, I'll open a suitable radius so that I'll draw 2 arcs which cut the line YZ like this at 2 different points. Okay, then another arc on this side. Okay, after constructing these 2 arcs which cut the line YZ, with the points of intersection of the arcs and the line YZ as my new centers, you can change the radius if you want. I'm going to construct an arc below the line YZ, and then with the center also is the point of intersection of the arc and the line YZ, I will construct another arc which intersects the one below YZ like this. Okay, so from the point X right through the point of intersection of these 2 arcs below YZ, I will draw a straight line like this. Okay, so this line which I have drawn, let me just call it XW, okay, is the perpendicular to this line. Okay, so it started from the point X, which was outside the line YZ. So here it's 90 degrees. Now I want to construct a line perpendicular to a given line at a given point on the line. Okay, so this is the given line YZ, and the given point on the line is M. So I want to draw a perpendicular to this point M on the line YZ. So with M as my center and as a suitable radius, I'll construct 2 arcs, one on the left and the other one on the right of M, like this. Yeah, the 2 arcs, and with the points of intersection of these 2 arcs and the line YZ as my centers, I'll construct here you can change the radius if you want. I'll construct 1 arc above M with my center on the right of M. Now also with my center on the left of M, where the line YZ meets the arc, I'll construct another arc which meets the first one above M, like this. Okay, now I'll draw a straight line from M like this right through the point of intersection of the arcs above M. So now I've constructed a perpendicular, which is this one, to a given point M on the line YZ. Now I want to construct the bisector of an angle. So here I've got a given angle JKL. So I want to construct the bisector of this angle JKL. What is a bisector of an angle? To bisect an angle, it means to divide it into 2 equal parts. Okay, so how do I construct the bisector of the angle JKL with K as my center and a suitable radius? I will draw 2 arcs. The first one on line JK and the other one on line KL. Okay. After this, With my center as the point of intersection of the arc and line KL, I'll draw another arc here. With my new center as the point of intersection of the arc and the line JK, I'll construct another arc to meet the previous one. Okay. This. After that, I'll join the point of intersection of the arcs to K, like this. Okay, so this is the bisector of angle JKA, meaning if this one is 30 degrees, this one will be also 30 degrees in size. Now I want to end by showing you how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line. In this case, we are given the line AB. So how do you construct the perpendicular bisector of AB? With the A and the B as my centers and the suitable radius in this case must be greater than the middle point of AB. Okay, like this, for example. I'll draw an arc on AB closer to A without changing the radius with the A now as my center. I'll draw another arc on AB but closer to B. Like this, okay. With my new centers being the points of intersection of the arcs and the line AB, I will draw or construct an arc here above AB and another arc below AB. Let me just extend this one so that the other arcs I'm going to draw will construct will meet the previous ones. Okay. Now with my new center here, okay, without altering the radius, I'll draw an arc which meets the previous one, which is above AB. Without even altering the radius also, I'll draw another arc here below AB to meet the previous one, which was below AB. Okay, this. After this, I'll join the points of intersection of the arcs above the line AB with the draw a straight line right through the points of intersection of the arcs. Okay, so now this is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. So here it's 90 degrees. So it's called a perpendicular bisector because this line divides the line AB. In other words, it passes through the middle of the line AB, so that from this point here to B is the same length from this point to A. Okay, thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos.